Okay, this is an improvised indoor grill that I did. Just put a small grill on your stove top to grill this eggplant. For this recipe, I'm going to use 4 eggs. There you go. It's eggs from the supermarket. How I wish I can have some organic eggs fresh from the farm. Maybe one day. When I'm doing omelette, I like to incorporate air to the eggs. And I'm adding salt and pepper. I'm using Himalayan salt. They say that it's healthy for the body. And I'm also using cracked pepper for more flavor. The reason why I want to incorporate air in my omelette is to make it fluffy. I want my omelette to be fluffy, which I will show you later after it's cooked. We're gonna need oil in a heated pan. I'm using a stainless steel pan. We are going to fry the eggplant, the grilled eggplant. Frying brings out more of the eggplant's flavor. We are using 2 grilled eggplant for this recipe and 4 eggs. It's important that the pan is heated so that the eggplants will not stick to the pan. I'm adding the second eggplant. As you can see, I'm using a fork to flatten the eggplants. To add more flavor to my omelette, I'm adding salt and pepper. Frying brings out the sweetness of the eggplant, but this is optional just because we already grilled it. We are ready now to add in our beaten eggs. Slowly pour it in, spread it. Make sure that the bottom of the eggplants will also have egg. It is important to check the omelette and spread the egg so that it will have a nice shape, a rounded shape. When I make omelette, I broil it after frying it. This is an extra step that makes my omelette really special. As you can see, the sides are already cooked, but this will cook it evenly using the broil method. Check out the size of the omelette. It's fluffy because of the air that was incorporated while beating the egg. Let's eat. Looks so yummy. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to follow me and subscribe to my channel, The Canadian Eagle.